Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today I'll show you my quick and delicious recipe for barley tuna salad. Start by washing around 150 grams of barley to get rid of excess starch and any dirt from the packaging. You could also soak it the night before to shorten the cooking time, but I usually don't bother. Add the strained barley to a pot along with 2.5 to 3 cups of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Let that boil for around 35 minutes, stirring occasionally until the barley absorbs most of the water and softens, but still remains slightly chewy. Drain, rinse and set aside to cool completely before using. While the barley cooks, I'll also hard boil 4 eggs. I'm cheating a bit by using a pre-packaged salad mix, but I find them really convenient for these kinds of dishes. Today I'll be adding some chopped avocado and eggs, but you could also use veggies like broccoli or Brussels sprouts. I'll also toss in some mozzarella balls, which I'll just quickly slice in half. Just throw everything into a bowl and prepare the tuna. I'm using 2 drained cans of tuna in brine, since this lets me add the oil I like without ending up with an overly oily salad. Now just add salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar and olive oil, then mix until everything is evenly coated. Taste and adjust to your liking. Mine needed a bit more salt and oil. And that's that, a fairly quick, delicious and healthy lunch or dinner. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing for more recipes. Until next time, bon appetit!